I want you to imagine something. 5 years from now, your life still looks exactly the same. What do you think the reason would be? Not working hard enough, not enough capital, or spending too much time sitting at the wrong table? You say it's just hanging out. So why is it not just the coffee that runs out, but your life's time too? I'm not against hanging out. Humans are social creatures. We need laughter. We need stories. The problem isn't the hanging out. The problem is where you hang out and who you become when you go home. If every time you leave, your mind is still empty, your wallet is thinner, and 3 to 4 hours disappear without direction, that's not hanging out. That's parking your life. Let's calculate slowly. Coffee, $2, cigarettes, $3, snacks, $1.50. One hangout can cost around $6 to $7. 3 times a week, about $20. A month, close to $80 to $100. And that's just money, not time. 3 hours per hangout times 3 times a week equals 9 hours. A month, 36 hours. That's almost 2 full days. Do you realize? In a year, you're giving nearly 18 days of your life to conversations you won't even remember tomorrow. Now let me ask something deeper. What do you actually talk about? Business, ideas, skills, future plans, or just talking about people, complaining about fuel prices, repeating how life is unfair, recycling the same complaints every week? If your circle is just an emotional dumping ground instead of a growth space, that's not a circle. That's an echo chamber. You shout about being broke, and all that echoes back is your own voice. And the most dangerous part? You feel productive when you're just being active. A real friend isn't the one who sits with you the longest. A real friend is the one who sends you home with a new idea or renewed energy. If after hanging out you're not smarter, not calmer, not earning more, then the only thing increasing is your age. And time doesn't offer refunds. I'm not telling you to become antisocial. I'm telling you this: choose your circle like you choose investments, because you will become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So think carefully. Are you just hanging out, or slowly leaving your future on a cafe table? Next episode, what should we talk about? Spending your salary for status, or online loans and the illusion of fast money? You choose.